Oh, welcome back to Rituals. Gotta love the sound of that engine. Never gets old. Cold start. That's for all my car enthusiasts. Also, get your merch. So let's get today's video started. Today's video is how to make money with Instagram. That's what we're talking about today. So if you guys been paying attention, I wrote a book on how to grow your Instagram following organically. If you haven't got that book, go get it. It's a great read. It's getting a lot of great positive feedback. So go get your copy of that book today. But today's video is about how to make money off Instagram. So I'm going to talk about the 5 ways that we can monetize Instagram. All right, so number 1, we got to talk about what niche or what are you knowledgeable in. Like, what are you knowledgeable in that can make money off of Instagram? So when you're creating your Instagram account and you're thinking about monetizing it for the future or whatever the case may be, you gotta have a topic that you're knowledgeable in, that you can provide, a wealth of information to people who are interested in it. You have to provide value to people. That's the best way to monetize your Instagram. You have to find a topic that you're knowledgeable in, and you have to provide that knowledge free of cost. A lot of knowledge free of cost to people to build trust. Because that's what it's about. You have to build trust. And they should trust you because you should be providing, like I said, valuable knowledge to people. Things that can actually help others. Not just help your pockets or your bank account, but actually provide information that's going to help others. All right, so number 2, you have to find a product based around your knowledge base. So you have to actually find a product that can actually be sold based around the knowledge that you provide. It's very key. It's very vital. That product has to correlate. So you have to find a product that you can offer based off that knowledge. So what product can you offer? For example, my Instagram account, M2_Black Eagle, that page is about car content. So I have a pretty good amount of knowledge about cars, especially BMWs. So on my website, beamerband.com, I offer cars and accessories that I use. I offer cars and accessories that I actually use in my vehicle every single day. So I have a knowledge of how these products work, how great they are, and then that way I can recommend them to others to use them because I know they're beneficial. They help me out. Like I said, phone magnets in the car. That way you have your phone on your magnet, strong magnet, and people are looking for the best products when it comes to that type of stuff. So, matter of fact, speaking of phone magnets, if you're looking for one, go to ventgrips.com. That's ventgrips.com. Use the promo code M2BlackEagle and you'll get 25% off all products. That's right. Use the promo code M2BlackEagle. You get 25% off all products. See, I just gave you an example right there how to monetize Instagram. Right there. That right there, what we call is affiliate marketing. That's a great way to monetize your Instagram. People who are interested in those type of products, there you go. I provide you a link to how to get it, a source to how to get it, as well as I gave you a discount off the product. So if you were looking for one anyway, you're gonna pay full price. But I just provided you value by giving you 25% off a product based off my Instagram following. So that's an example. So number 3, can you actually build a product based off your niche? Well, I just gave you an example of the phone magnet. So like I said, my niche is, as far as my Instagram account, M2_Black Eagle, is car content. So that's one example. If I was building foam magnets, yeah, I could actually build it and sell it myself. I don't have to because someone else builds it, a great product, and I get commission from it. So, but as far as building products, I have other products that I build, like merchandise to represent my brand. So the answer to that question is yes, you can create a product based off your niche to offer to sell. And in the car industry, there's a lot of products. I see a lot of people who build like carbon fiber products themselves. Carbon fiber lips. They build carbon fiber diffusers. They build carbon fiber wings. And that right there is a car accessory that some people build themselves at a cheaper rate than what the dealerships may offer. So some people who are looking for those, modifications to their cars, that's a way to create modifications to sell to others and use Instagram to promote your modifications. So yes, you can actually create a product that can actually be sold based off your niche. So the next one is like, what high income skill can you learn? Well, that's an example of it. You can learn that skill of how to create a product. That's just one example. There's several examples, but that's just one. People who learn that skill of how to create something, build something, how to promote, how to market your product, because you have to learn that skill. In order to sell, you have to learn marketing. You have to learn how to tap into your target audience. I talk about some of these things in my book. Like I said, once again, that was another way to create income. I found a way to grow my Instagram account through methods, through analytics, through like figuring out how the Instagram algorithm works. And I laid out the whole format in this book, and I sell it, online, an ebook to people. People who bought it and who are applying the methods, everything I laid out in the book, they're starting to see growth. And I'm getting positive feedback in my DMs. So I know my methods are working. So that's one way that you can create something. I learned the skill of writing, through that. So I ended up writing a book. And now I'm a self-published author. I wrote a book that actually has sales. So, and I learned how to sell books. So, yeah, that's another example. So the last thing is, what's the actual benefit to your product or service? Yeah, I had to switch clothes. I recorded this before. Footage got deleted somehow. So if you're wondering, like, hey, change clothes, change outfit, yeah, different day. Well, we're finishing up. But like I said, fifth and final way to make money with Instagram is, what's the benefit to your product or service? Okay, for instance, I'll use my book that I wrote, How to Grow Your Instagram Following Organically. When I wrote that book, the benefit to those who are potential buyers of the book is that they're interested in growing their Instagram following the right way. So I wrote a whole book laying out step-by-step instructions of how I grew my Instagram account _Black Eagle from 391 followers to like 6,000, actually like 5,000 followers within 4 months. But right now, it's at almost at 7,500 followers in less than 4.5 months. And by the end of the year, we should be at 10K. So basically, we're projected to grow the Instagram account from 391 followers to 10,000 followers in less than 6 months. That's the pace we're on. So I know my methods work. I wrote everything down step by step. I created a book. I packaged it up. Very nice, very great book. If you haven't got it, go download that book right now. Especially if you're interested in growing a small business, or if you're just interested in growing your Instagram account, Instagram following the correct way. So basically, that book is beneficial to those who are trying to grow their account, because when you grow your account, you have more potential buyers. But the way I wrote the ways I wrote how to grow your account, you're getting real people to follow you, not bots and things like that. So you have real potential consumers who are a target audience for whatever product or service that you're providing. So, great book. The other book I wrote is Common Sense, A Simple Guide to Money. That book our service is beneficial to those who are trying to learn how to manage money. I wrote step-by-step ways of how to manage money. I wrote step-by-step ways of how to increase your income. I wrote step-by-step ways of how to retire in a better financial situation than you currently are. But most importantly, I wrote that book with the intention to teach people how to create generational wealth and financial freedom for themselves. So go pick that book up as well. So as you see, I gave you 2 examples of 2 products that I did myself that I funneled through Instagram, through target audience for people who are actually looking for that type of material, that type of information, who are trying to either gain followers with the Instagram book, or those who are curious about how money should work and how to create financial freedom. So 2 examples of 2 great products written to help others. So that's the basis. You have to create products that's built to help other people, not just to help your financial pockets. You have to create something that's going to actually be beneficial to people. So I hope you enjoyed these 5 tips of how to make money with Instagram. This falls under Ritual Money Tips. I greatly appreciate you guys for tuning in to Rituals. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post more videos like this. My channel is based off car content, sneaker reviews, and money financial tips. So if you're in any of those topics, this is the channel for you. So you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. And before you exit out, you smash that thumbs up button for your boy. Alright. Thank you guys for tuning in Rituals. I greatly appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. Peace.